guys, today's video is going to be an unboxing. If you can hear my girls yelling, they're having a grand old time. We're actually gonna get some of tropical storm, what the hell is its name? I don't know, but it's like, it's on its way. Wait, today's they just scream and laugh and scream and laugh. Today's video is going to be an unboxing. I ordered a box from B&G. B&G Trading. This box took a while to get to me. Let's see. When did I order this freaking thing? I ordered it on July 9th. Took 3.5 weeks to get to me. So anyway, I ordered a 10-piece box from B&G Trading. It is the New With Tags Show Me Your Moo box. I have never purchased anything from this brand. I have always heard other resellers talk about it. When I saw that they had this as a box, I jumped on the opportunity. Okay, so I guess some of these are sample pieces, so the sizes aren't on them. So I'm gonna have to measure them and like correlate them with the sizing on Show Me Your Moo. First thing, this thing is crazy, is the Leona jumpsuit glitter cheetah velvet. I'm gonna post a picture of this because you're not really gonna be able to see it with me like holding it up, but it is a velvet cheetah jumpsuit. The front looks like that, like it ties in the front, and then literally it's a jumpsuit, like long pant jumpsuit. So yeah, I'll insert a picture. There's a tag. There is no size on it because it was a sample, so I'm gonna have to measure it. I have this really pretty white polka dot tank top tunic length. If my camera will focus, there we go. This is a size small. This is super cute. Does it have a size? It does not have a size, so I'll have to measure it. But it's so cute. It's like a lacy romper. Like a lacy romper. It is so cute, and it has a little cutout on the back. This is like perfect for summertime, to wear like, you know, over your bathing suit, or just to wear in the summertime. Like super cute. Super cute dress. This is a size small. This tag says Moo Blue on it. Go wild in Moo. That must be, I don't know. I'm not too familiar with Show Me Your Moo. So they must have different like collections within their brand. Got little tassel things up here. It ties. Looks like this, and at the bottom, hold on, let me hold it up like that. Has little tassels on the bottom. How cute is that? This is super lightweight, perfect for summertime. All right, next we have this shirt. No size on this. It's a really pretty floral tunic. Looks like that. This thing is adorable, and if I wore crop tops, I would totally wear this. I mean, I could wear crop tops with my big pregnant belly sticking out, like, hey. Oh, don't mind my shirt, by the way. It says frickin' GB12. I am still in my PJs. I wore this to bed last night. It's my husband's shirt. I hate football. I hate Tom Brady. I just don't like him. This shirt's just really comfortable. And I'm staying in my PJs all day today because, you know, because you know. Okay, this is super cute. Okay, come on, camera. There we go. How cute is this little crop top? So adorable. It has a zipper on the side, and I love how it ties in the front. And that's what the back looks like. Super cute. This is a size small. Next we have a dress. This is extra small, and it's really pretty color, like polka dot dress, and it has a little belt. Oh, where is it? Right there. You can tie it around the waist. Super cute. I love the color. This says extra small, but I don't know. Looks big for an extra small. I will have measurements. This shirt, I think it says what it's called. Yes, this is the Cosmic Tunic in black. No size on it though, so that's wonderful. It's really pretty black shirt. I like the buttons. I don't know if you can see. I like the detail of the buttons. Yeah, super cute. We have this shirt, no size on this. It's just a like cream colored tank top. like that. The last thing we have is a sparkly. At first I was like, is this a one shoulder dress? Like I held it up by the crotch. It's a bodysuit. I couldn't figure it out at first, okay? This is what it looks like. No size on this, but it's a really sparkly bodysuit. See, I held it up by that. I'm like, it's a one shoulder dress, but like, what are these? Like, I don't know, okay? And the sleeves are very interesting. They're like a bat wing type thing. Like, very interesting. I will try to find a stock picture of this and like put it up here on the screen so you guys can see, because it's kind of hard to, it's kind of hard to picture this. But this is very different, very different. So that is everything that I got in my B&G Trading 10-piece Show Me Your Moo Moo mystery box. Do I think it was worth it? I have no idea, honestly, because I've never sold this brand before. I need to look up comps. I don't know, we'll see. All right, I'm gonna say a little rant about B&G Trading. So I've gotten 2 other boxes from B&G, I think. And I had signed up for their like referral program. So whenever you guys use my link, I would get a commission, like I would get money. Well, they recently changed that, which sucks. Now they're giving like affiliates points instead of like actual cash. So it's like points to use. I mean, it's genius on their part because it just gets you to spend more money on their website. But yeah, it's points to use towards like future purchases and stuff. Like you no longer get a like commission payout. And it's interesting because their email said, we're honored to have you as an ambassador. Due to recently enacted California legislation and its restrictions on monetary payouts, we will be dissolving the current structure of our affiliate program. So I emailed them back. I'm like, what happened? What changed? Because I tried to Google it. I couldn't find any information. And this was back on, when did they say? July 28th. So that was last week. They haven't gotten back to me yet because I'm like, what changed? Like, why can't you guys pay people out anymore? Because I know that a lot of companies that I work with on YouTube are based out of California and they're not having any issues paying people out. So, you know, what's really going on, I guess. So yeah, so that was just kind of interesting, kind of annoying, whatever. Just thought I'd mention that because I know, you know, some of you guys are resellers and you watch my videos and you might sign up with B&G to be an affiliate. Just know that they're not gonna give you money anymore. They're gonna give you points, gold stars, points. All right, so that is it for this video. If there's anything in the video that you see you wanna purchase, I will have everything up by the time this video is up. I will also have proper sizes and measurements and stuff like that. I'll probably do an update video in like a month or 2, however long it takes this stuff to sell, and I'll tell you guys if I think that it's worth it. Like I said, this brand is totally new to me. I've heard of it before, but I have not sold it, so I don't know how it's gonna sell for me, so we'll see. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.